In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing icons in your Windows 11 taskbar. So whether your icons are blank, missing, or they're just not working in general, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is come over to your keyboard and you need to press down the Control, the Shift, and also the Escape key at the same time. This is going to bring up the Task Manager window. You can then click on the search box at the top and go and search for Explorer, and then you're going to see the Windows Explorer here. Now go and right click on this and just click on Restart. Once you've done this, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then open up the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left hand side, select Personalization and then scroll down and click on the taskbar. Now scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors, and you'll need to make sure Automatically Hide the Taskbar is unchecked. And where it says Combine Taskbar Buttons and Hide Labels, you can try changing this to Never. Once you've changed this, click on the drop down arrow again and click on Always, and sometimes that refreshes the icons on your taskbar. You can then go and close out of this window. Now the next step is to open up the Start menu. You can then search for Run and click on the Run icon. In this search box, go and type in %, local app data %, and press enter. Click on View in the top navigation and click on Show, and make sure Hidden Items is checked like this, and then scroll down to the bottom and you should see Icon Cache. Now just go and select this file and click on the trash icon, and once it's been deleted, you'll need to go and restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, hopefully now that should solve the issue. If it's still not working, you can also try dragging the icon in your taskbar and moving it either to the left or to the right, and sometimes that also solves the issue. If it's still not working, then open up the Start menu and search for CMD and right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now type in SFC /scan now and press enter. This is going to scan your computer for any corrupted or damaged files. You'll just need to wait for the verification to get to 100%, and that should fix the issue where the taskbar icons are missing on your Windows 11 computer.